Just like we had formulas for arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences, we also have formulas for arithmetic series and geometric series. So the notation of like A1, D, R, N, that's the same as it was for the sequences. But the formulas are different. So these formulas give you the summation, or the adding up of all the terms, what that's equal to. Okay, looking at 8, they want us to find the sum of the first 16 terms of the arithmetic sequence 4 plus 10 plus 16. So my first term is 4. My n is equal to 16. And my common difference is 6. So my formula is S16 is going to be equal to 16 over 2 times 2 times 4 plus n minus 1 would be 15 times 6. And if you punch that into your calculator, then you get 784. Now, it's very important to note that this is the sum of the first 16 terms. It is not the 16th term. So it's not the 16th term itself, it's the sum of the first 16 terms. Looking at number 9, they want us to find the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric sequence 1 plus 2 plus 4. So my first term is 1, n is equal to 8, and r is equal to 2. So I'm using the other formula, and S8 is equal to 1 times 1 minus 2 raised to the 8 over 1 minus 2, and that's equal to negative 255 over negative 1, which is 255. Again, this number does not represent the 8th term. This number represents the sum of the first 8 terms.